Nothing sends hearts racing like this chair. Many people dread a visit to the dentist and have it put off for far too long. But those are the very people who can benefit most from innovative advances in oral care, advances that take the pain and fear out of dental work. New technology allows dentists to make patient comfort a priority while still giving them optimum results.
During dental treatment, patient comfort has improved significantly even over the last few years. In the past, dentists in general never really gave patients enough time to get numb in the office, and thus patients sometimes suffered through discomfort because they weren't numb. We gave our patients a specific amount of time needed to numb, so when we actually start the treatment, there's no discomfort at all.
Today, many procedures that once took multiple visits can be completed in one day. Using computer-aided design and manufacturing techniques, dentists can now perform same-day restorations and actually reduce the invasiveness of the procedure.
The E4D system, which is a new technology, has allowed us to change the whole gamut of the way we do dentistry here. Basically, in the past, a patient would come in, they would get numbed, they would have their tooth prepared for a crown, they would take an impression, and then they would get a temporary. They would then come back 2 weeks later, and the crown would be inserted. With the E4D, we're now able to take that all into one visit. So the patient gets numbed, we prepare the tooth for the crown, we scan it with the E4D, and we have a milling station in our laboratory downstairs in our basement, and 2 hours later they have a crown inserted. So it takes 2 visits and makes it 1. So it's made our life and the patient's lives much easier.
Suffering with toothaches, Michelle Ganella knew she had to visit the dentist, but kept procrastinating out of anxiety.
I didn't like the shots. It was painful. It was a lot of anxiety, enough to make your hands sweat just talking about it.
Michelle finally faced her fears and discovered that the treatment was actually brief and painless. Now, Michelle has a bright, confident, and healthy smile and wishes she'd done it sooner.
I actually look forward to coming, so I feel really great about my smile, and I want to keep up on it. So I do want to come in, and I'm always looking for new things. There's always like Invisalign, there's all different kinds of stuff, the bleaching. So now I'm looking for stuff to get done, which is so not like me.
If you've been putting off a dentist visit, there's no reason to wait. You may be pleasantly surprised at how easy treatment can be, and you'll feel great once it's behind you.
Look out there, there's plenty of new advances. Try not to be afraid anymore, and talk to the dentist, because that's what they're there for. They don't want to hurt anybody. They just want, good oral health out there now. And there's a lot of advances.
The Pennsylvania Center for Dental Excellence in Philadelphia combines state-of-the-art technology and a luxurious setting for a relaxing dental experience. Led by Dr. Leonard Tau, this team uses advanced techniques to deliver sparkling smiles without discomfort.
The philosophy is pretty straightforward. Make the patients love coming to see us. Comfortable, quality dental care. We give them a comfortable visit, and we use the best materials. We have an amazing team who I work with here, and we make the patients like coming to us. It's that simple.
Dr. Tau employs up-to-the-minute technology to give his patients beautiful results with minimal or no pain, and in as little as 1 office visit. Using high-tech software to create digital impressions, Dr. Tau can create permanent crowns in 1 day. He also uses lasers to detect cavities and can perfect your smile in 6 months without embarrassing metal braces.
So in our office, our patients, we enjoy doing Invisalign. So Invisalign is one of the more popular procedures that we do now. We also offer a procedure called 6-month smiles here, which basically can do braces or orthodontics in as little as 6 months, normally about 5 to 7 months. Probably the most popular thing nowadays is tooth whitening. Tooth whitening is tremendous in this economy. It's an affordable way to whiten your teeth. The best system out there is the core tooth whitening system. It's a deep bleaching system. It takes very dark and stained teeth and can make them pretty white. So those are kind of the more popular things nowadays in our office.
At the Pennsylvania Center for Dental Excellence, patient comfort is their biggest priority. Every corner of this office is specially designed with the patient in mind. From paraffin hand treatments to massaging dental chairs, this center feels more like a spa than a dentist's office.
I think that the atmosphere here at Pennsylvania Center for Dental Excellence is probably unlike any other dental office that I've ever seen or been to, and all of our patients always comment about how relaxed it is, how friendly we are. They feel welcome. I think we do our best to ease fears, and not only is Dr. Tau obviously a great technician, but we have a lot of people skills here too, and we love our patients.
The Pennsylvania Center for Dental Excellence and Dr. Tau, they are absolutely wonderful. He gives injections that are pain-free, I can guarantee that. All the staff is absolutely wonderful, and the most important thing is not anybody was judgmental, you know, from being away from the dentist for about 10 years. They made me feel welcome. They've never, ever been judgmental. They've been helpful, and everybody's pleasant in the office. So I absolutely love it here.
A bright, healthy, beautiful smile is within reach. Contact the Pennsylvania Center for Dental Excellence, dentistry for the quality conscious. Visit us online at pcde.com.